going to solve single stoichiometry problem 1C. Of course, to solve a stoichiometry problem, you have to use the stoichiometry template. That's the number given over the number from the box for the given units. That's the box information. 1 for moles, 22.4 for liters, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd for pieces or molecules. And you'll have to look up the molar mass off the periodic table if they give you the grams. The next section is the coefficient of what you're trying to find over the coefficient from the balanced equation for what you've been given. This is the number from the box for the units that you're trying to solve for. Once again, same box, and that's always all over 1. To solve this problem, I need to have a balanced equation. So if we'll look, I have 1 NB, I have 1 NB. I've got 5 I's, that's 3 I's and 2 I's on that side of the equation, which are called the reactants. And on the product side of the equation, I have 5 I's. So it's a balanced equation with coefficients of 1, 1, and 1. I'm solving now problem 1C, and I've been given 24.3 grams of NBI3, and I want to find the number of molecules of NBI5. Each problem always starts out with the template that looks like such. And this is the number that I've been given from the problem. And the problem gives me 24.3 grams of NBI. Since I was given grams of NBI, I have to calculate molar mass of NBI3. So I have NB is 93. That gets looked up on the periodic table of the elements. And I is 127 grams. And I've got 3 of them. That totals 474 grams. This is the coefficient of what am I trying to find. According to the problem, I'm trying to find molecules of NBI5. If you recall, the coefficient on everything was a 1, so I'm certain that's a 1. Over the coefficient of the number I was given, which is NBI3, that also is a 1. This is the number from the box for what am I trying to solve for. I'm, according to the problem, trying to solve for molecules. The number out of the box for molecules is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And in order to follow order of operations, always put a number that's in scientific notation into parentheses when you're doing your mathematical problem in your calculator. So to solve this problem, I go across the top. I have 24.3 times parentheses 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd end parentheses, and I hit equal sign. Then divided by 474 grams. Because there are no other numbers, I don't have to put the bottom part in parentheses. But if I had 2 numbers, I would put them in parentheses down at the bottom. When I do that calculation in my calculator, I end up with 3.09 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of NBI5.